My name is Jess. So you're here on my channel, jav.ecommerce. So basically today, tutulungan ko kayo kung paano kumita gamit ang Shopify at Aliexpress. And I'll also be answering a few questions like ano ang dropshipping, para kanina yung dropshipping, bakit nga ba nag-dropshipping, at anong kailangan para mag-start sa ganitong business or negosyo. Ano nga ba nag-work ang dropshipping business model? So, example, si customer, nakita niya yung website mo, probably sa Facebook or sa Instagram, and then he or she will place the order on your website, on your Shopify website. Then, go buy it through credit card or PayPal, and then, ikaw naman, matatanggap mo yung order ni customer, and then you will contact your supplier or place the order through Aliexpress. Si supplier in China, most likely, hindi naman lahat sila nasa China, pero most likely sa China siya. And then, process niya yung order mo, and then ship out niya yung product, and then darating na siya kay customer. You might ask, para kanina ba yung dropshipping? Is it for everybody? So, here are some examples ng feeling ko pwede siya dropship. So, you could be a student and you're saving up for college, you need extra income. So, this will be a way for you to have an online business. Example naman, you're a mom, and then stay-at-home mom ka, and then you need extra income to fund your daily expenses. Or you could also be an OFW and you want to go home sooner, and you have extra time on your hands. And you could also be a corporate employee that wants to quit his or her job. Ayaw mo na magkaroon ng boss, you want to have your own business, pero syempre, hindi ka naman pwede mag-resign basta-basta. Or you could also be a person with disability na feeling mo na discriminate ka and just can't find a job. At least dito, diba, sa online business na to, walang mag-hire sa'yo or walang discrimination involved here, and you just let the market decide kung bibili pa niya yung produkto mo o hindi. They don't know who's at the back of the business. Or you could also be a senior citizen that is already retired but you still want to earn money, or probably still want to parang gumagana yung utak mo. So, basically anyone wants to have an online business, doesn't want to have a boss, and wants extra money, and wants or needs extra money, dropshipping can be for you. So, bakit nga ba dropshipping at hindi na lang yung traditional way of selling like retail or trading? Kasi diba pag traditional, yun yung mag-order ka ng product sa isang supplier, siguro mag-start ka sa 50 pieces or 100 pieces, and then it's the time you go to like you build a store or go to a bazaar and then sell your products. Ano yung benefits kung bakit dropshipping yung dapat i-try mo? I found these 3 reasons. First reason is there is no outright inventory or products. So, usually kasi when nag-start ka ng negosyo, yung capital mo na dun sa equipment, sa mga produkto. Would here, wala kang ganun. So, no outright. Di ka muna magbabayad ng mga produkto. Siguro magbayad ka ng one item for the sample of your product. But other than that, kailangan mo lang mag-spend ng money is when your customer orders from your website. Okay, the second benefit that dropshipping gives is that there's no manpower needed. Hindi kailangang may extra tao ka parang to ship your items, to pack your items, kasi nga, supplier na lahat gagawa nun. And once you're starting, you just really have to advertise the products. So, pwedeng, kung creative ka, pwede naman ikaw yung gumawa ng videos mo or ng ads mo, and then ikaw din yung mag-order. But once you get bigger, syempre you can also hire virtual assistants so that they can help you process the orders and siguro make social media content, mga stuff like that. Pero once you're starting, kahit ikaw lang talaga. And then the third reason kung bakit dropshipping, it's really very easy to operate kahit saan basta may internet connection. Pwedeng mag-work yung business mo. Actually, this is also the reason why the laptop lifestyle is created or parang was born. Kasi even if you're in a vacation, even if you're, I don't know, in the Bahamas or something like that, pwedeng mag-work yung business mo basta may internet connection. As long as you can process orders and still reply to your customer emails, so still post social media content, your company or your business can still work. Ano ba yung mga kailangan to start this dropshipping business? So, first is the laptop. Before, may question na pwede ba magkarto kahit phone lang? I don't advise it. Pero actually, pwede naman kung mag-start ka with Instagram influencers lang. And then, siguro kung wala ka talagang laptop, pwede ka namang mag-start na i-design mo yung website mo dun sa mga internet cafe and stuff. Pero, actually, in the long run, kailangan talaga ng laptop. And then the second requirement, syempre, is internet connection. You cannot receive orders unless you do have this. And at the start, syempre, i-design mo pa yung website mo. You'll do all the requirements, like opening a PayPal account. Syempre, automatic na yun, internet connection. And then the next thing that you also need is, of course, credit card to order the products that your customers will order from you. Hindi ko sure if this would work, but try nyo yung Paymaya if you're starting and wala ka pang credit card. I think it would work naman if you order through Aliexpress. Ang hindi ko sure is papayag ba si Shopify na yung credit, yung account mo, na pambayad ng website hosting is through Paymaya. I'm not so sure. So you guys just have to double check. And then the next thing that you'll also need is capital for ads. I placed here 5,000 to 50,000. I know a lot of people would not agree sa 5,000. Pero sa totoo lang, ako talaga nag-start ako sa 5,000 pesos. Kasi nag-start ako with Instagram influencers. Pero if you guys want to start with Facebook ads agad, siguro yun yung 50,000 na kailangan. So if you guys want to learn more about Instagram influencer marketing, I suggest you subscribe kasi tuturo ko din sa inyo kung paano ko siya nagawa at magkano yung sinailaut kong pera at magkano yung sales na nakuha ko from that single Instagram influencer. Okay, so here's the fun part. I'll show you Aliexpress, and I'll show a sample product and a sample store. Of course, this is not my product, and this is not my store, but, just for sample purposes. So this is Aliexpress. You can find anything under the sun here. It's also under Alibaba, if you're more familiar with Alibaba. Alibaba is basically more on wholesale purchases, bulk purchases, and then AliExpress is for retail purchases or yung tingi-tingi pa isa-isa. Okay, so when I was looking here, parang curious ako dito kasi bakit siya 67 cents lang. And then when I click the link, ito siya. Turns out it's an Apple smartwatch strap. Di ko alam kung bakit 67 cents siya, pero once you click the item, it's actually 1.89. Yeah, no matter what the size is. Okay, so it's an Apple, smartwatch strap. I don't know how much it is pag sa Apple Store mismo. I don't have one, but I can see the potential in this product. Hindi ko lang din sure if you will get copyright infringement if you decide to sell this one, but just for sample purposes, ayun. I researched on this item, and then here's a trick that I want to share with you guys. If you found an item that's interesting for you, you can copy then as an image. So, I think I copied kanina itong image na to. This one. And what I did was... Okay, so once you search a specific picture in Google Images, so basically, of course, the web will search yung mga kung saan siya naka-place, mga websites, ayan. So, kanina, kinuha ko tong multi-colored strap photo. And then, you'll see here, may mga website na nagbebenta nito. So, let's look at one website. This one. So, as you can see, same exact siya ng mga pictures ng kanina nakita natin sa Aliexpress. But this time, they're not selling it for that same amount, 1.89, but they're selling it for $7.99. So, black, yan yung example. So, you'd probably think na, yung taas na ng tubo. But as a dropshipper, I don't think that malaki na yung tubo nila. Feeling ko nga lugi pa sila sa $7.99. So, I did actually try to check out yung product na to. And then turns out they charge shipping fee of $5. Tama nga ba? Sa kanina nag-proceed ako sa checkout. I won't go through it now. But yung total amount is naging $13.98 if they ship out sa Philippines. I don't know kung how much the States, but sa Philippines naging ganun. $13.98 yung total price. And then, here's another store. This one is silverfoxcase.com. Here naman, $14. So, parang same din yung naging price. So, obviously, these products are being dropshipped. And if sanay ka na, alam mo na kung ano yung websites na mukhang Shopify or mukhang pang dropshipping. So, here nakasulat naman siya actually, powered by Shopify. Ito, may nakasulat ba? Parang wala. Wala nakasulat na powered by Shopify. So, basically, that's it. So, if you're someone who bought an Apple Watch and you're probably following Apple, siguro matatarget ka ng mga ganitong ads na nagbebenta ng strap. And I think if you're an American, $14 wouldn't be a big deal. And hindi mo naman iisipin mo yung mabibili ka na sa 1.89 na Apple strap na watch. So yun. Yun yung example store. And then I'll just quickly show you on the Shopify. So basically, Shopify is a platform through which you can sell your products and or service. So I'll also post a link down below in the description box para hindi nyo na kailangan i-type. That's also my referral link, just to be transparent with you guys, because I am an official Shopify partner. So there. But hindi ko siya na-endorse just because mayroon ako makakuhang, I don't know, affiliate. I actually haven't tried. Hindi ko pa na-try na magkaroon ng affiliate from there. It's my first time promoting the link. So, we'll discuss more about Shopify and how it works, ano yung mga kailangang gawin na steps para eventually maka-open ka na ng store. So, there. Good news for you guys living in the Philippines is that Shopify's basic plan is just $13. Compared if you're living in the States, actually $29 siya. $29.98 pa nga ata. So, technically $30. So, it's a good opportunity for you to start, at least, diba? Hindi pa masyado mataas yung i-shell out mong money. Also, I also let you guys know that they have a free trial. I think that's a 14-day free trial for you to build your website, para ma-familiarize kayo dun sa pinaka Shopify dashboard, analytics, etc., etc. But once you do open your website or launch your website for the public, you have, dun na nag-start yung $13 mo. So, yung free trial, more on just exploring the Shopify website and, for you to know how it works. So, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from me today. I hope you can also subscribe, guys, kasi sobrang dami ko pang pwedeng ituro at ituturo talaga through this YouTube channel. I know this is basic, so dun sa mga may alam na or may idea na about Shopify, sobrang basic na nito and you don't have to watch it anymore. But this video is really for dun sa nag-start from scratch and has zero knowledge about Shopify and dropshipping. But through sooner or later, I will post more complex videos, more advanced. I will post how to create your first Facebook ad, how to reach out to influencers. So here's just some inspiration for you guys. This is how my Shopify dashboard looks like. So from April 1 until today, April 22, I have 4,779.20 in sales. If you've been doing drop shipping or Shopify, matagal na, I know this looks small pa lang, but I know it's a good start, and that's also why I built this YouTube channel, so that I could focus more on the business by providing value to you guys, and hopefully I could expand my knowledge on Shopify and like other tips and tricks and share it to you guys as well. So again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.